Hi guys, welcome to our last special sound video for this kindergarten school year. You have done a great job practicing and working with us. Continue to watch these videos over the summer because it'll really help you when you go into first grade and you're going to see these sounds even in first grade again. So join me as we say them together. Ready, begin. W in whale, W-H. H in who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. In lamb, M-B. Oo in flu and oo in few, E-W. E in rainy, Y. In bigger, E-R. Est in biggest, E-S-T. Lee in slowly, L-Y. N in sharpen, E-N. Es in peaches, E-S. Ild in child, I-L-D. And our new one is Ind in kind, I-N-D. Ind in kind, I-N-D. Now you say it. All right, all together. Ind in kind, I-N-D. All right, now let's go ahead and take out a piece of paper and pencil so we can write down the words that have this special sound. Ind in kind. Our first word is go ahead and write this word down and circle the special sound. If you need to pause the video, please do that so that way you can write this down. All right, did you write it down and circle the special sound? Okay, let's check your work. Here it is. W-ind, w-ind, wind, wind. I will wind up the strings so it isn't all over the floor. Wind. Now you go ahead and use the word wind in a sentence. Love that. Let's do another one together. Okay, here's our next word. Go ahead and write it down, pause the video if you need to, and circle the special sound. All right, did you do it? Let's check your work and see how you did. Did you circle the I-N-D? Good, now let's sound it out. R-ind, R-ind, rind, rind. When I eat an orange, I throw away the rind. All right, now you go ahead and use rind in a sentence. Good. Let's do another one together. Okay, pause the video so you can write this word down and circle the special sound. Okay, did you circle it? Let's check your work and see how you did. Here it is. Now let's sound it out. Eind, eind, find, find. Go ahead and use the word find in a sentence. Good. Nice job. Let's do another one. Sometimes it's hard for Miss Northcutt to find her keys if I put them in the wrong spot. So let's do one last one. All right, pause the video so you can write this one down. All right, thank you for pausing. Now let's check your work and see how you did. Did you circle the IND? Good. Now let's sound it out. M-eind, m-eind, mind, mind, mind. When we are learning, we are using our mind to think. Mind. Now go ahead and use the word mind in a sentence. Good. Nice job. Well, I am so very proud of you today. We learned all about the sound eind in kind and other words that have that special sound as well. And thank you for joining me today. And thank you for using this time to learn and practice. Keep up the good work. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.